Ki media coordinator jong All India Congress Committee habatak ranting yak boipo jong Bharatiya Janata Party kilapan pau ba jela Meghalaya ka don kamban lain na jingbam sam kabalakhang yak alat kelinti ban kentiu yak yokakot jong jela habai kran bat kilap thai kubor ka Bobita Sharma bat Matthew Anthony kibadi ki media coordinator jong All India Congress Committee kilapan pau ba state president jong BJP ba Ernest Mauri dangshan ulakan tho tenge sapangi kambam sap hapo kani ka sarkar MDA yak bala lam khaman da National People Party Henry ka khlamle ipan
Congress believes that regional parties should also exist. As you are very much aware that we have never tried to swallow any regional party. The Congress never tried to swallow up any regional party. We have given them space to grow. It is very important to have regional party and regional aspirations. The Congress respects that everywhere. You can see the history of the Congress party. So BJP wants only their party to win. They don't want regionalism at all. Assam is a glaring example.
The place where from I come, Maharashtra, is a glaring example of they hitting the alliance. You know, the Shiv Sena is broken down. They break families. So now, Meghalaya has got a history of, very, very fruitful, healthy regional parties, and the national parties only had a couple of instances of forming a government. And we respect the regional parties here. So why? Because your question has a direct answer, because they are threatened by the agencies of Enforcement Directorate, CBI, and all other things. So if they don't fall in line with BJP, then you will have a Enforcement Directorate knocking at your door, a CBI knocking at your door. So do you want that, or do you want something else? You want peace. So that is the reason. So Congress always. The reason why Congress looks weak is because we give respect to other people's mind freedom. We don't oppress their mind, or we don't suppress their mind with the power in our hand. Whenever we had the power also. Yes, sometimes something might have gone as a judgmental error, but that's not the case with BJP. They brazenly use the power to oppress people to toe their line. That's why it is. The regional parties or anybody else who's aligning with BJP, it's not because of love, it's because of fear. And Congress speaks the language of love. That's where we are.